Okay, I'm actually waiting to be called on a net here. It's called the No SWR net on 40 meters, more specifically 7.185, as you might be able to see if I could get the camera to focus at that point. Anyway, I thought I would take this opportunity to do a quick SWR check demonstration using my iCOM 7300. So you want to do this wherever you're going to operate, of course. So you should be on, on or very close to the frequency that you're going to operate on. And the iCOM 7300 does have a built-in SWR meter, which is very nice, and I love the way it works. So I wanted to demonstrate for you. So if we just hit menu and then SWR, it gives us the meter at the bottom of the screen there, lower half. And there's several things you can do with this. I'm not going to get into everything, but we're just going to do a quick SWR check. You can change the number of bars here, which is actually the number of frequencies that it will test on. And you can change the number of kilohertz between each one, the step here. But I'm not going to mess with that. We're just going to press, if we press the stop play button here, see if I can get you focused on that. Maybe not. But if we press that button in the lower left corner, it will start our SWR check. And then I'm going to have to key up a series of times, 7 times, in order for, because I got 7 bars here, in order for it to do a check, kind of an SWR sweep across multiple frequencies in this range, 7.155 to 7.215. So let's do that. You can see that the SWR is very low, currently because of the tuner is on, so it's getting those SWRs as low as possible, working with the antenna and the internals of the radio to make it so. So the SWR is it's lower than 1.5 across all of the frequencies we tested on, which is very good. Very safe to operate there, so not a problem, but it's always good to check that. I can definitely find some frequencies on this radio that the SWR will not be good on, so you always got to check that before you operate. Anyway, that's basics on how to check the SWR with the internal meter on an iCOM 7300, ic-7300 that is. This is KJ5JNJ, out.